So hello guys, this is a new Leetcode question called power x of n. Okay, we need to find we are given a number x and we need to find the power of x, that is x raised to n. We need to find the x value of x raised to n. Okay, so this is a simple question. Okay, so we can just use a for loop. Okay, and multiply. Suppose for example this is 2 here. Okay, so we can just multiply 2 10 times using a for loop. Okay, so like we will use a for loop. Okay, for loop till n, and we must multiply it. Okay, x star is equal to x. Okay, and just return the result. Okay, return the result. Okay, but is this the optimal solution? No, because time complexity here is o of n. Okay, and this is not good. We can just optimize it to be like o of log n. Okay, so just optimize it. If you can figure out, we can just use divide and conquer method. Okay, divide and conquer. Okay, so in this, what we are doing is we can just split the number. Okay, so for example, here it is given 2. Okay, 2 for n is equal to 10. So we can just split the n. Okay, we can just do it like, suppose we are looking at 2 dot 2 dot 2 so as you can see, this is a 10 twos. Okay, so we can just split this into a half. Okay, like we will just solve the first 5. Okay, and we just solve the second 5. Okay, and then we just split it also. Okay, so first two, second two, and just multiply this with both. Okay, same with this. So if you are like if you are making it like we have to do only 2 into 2. Okay, then this will be used in this here also, and it will be used here also, and here also. Okay, so it will split it, and because of that, the space and time complexity will be reduced to log n. Okay, like n will be number of times we divide it. Okay, so here, so o of log dividing it by base 2, because we are dividing it into two halves. Okay, so it will be log 2n or log base 2. Okay, and okay, log base 2n. Yeah, so let's see the code. So this is the code. Let me remove this. We'll do some scratch. Okay, so we'll just return our, so we will just make a function. Okay, first we'll make a function return power, which will be our function. Okay, and which will take x and n as input. X is number given and n is the raised to. Okay, power of it. And suppose if x is equal to 0, we will directly return. Okay, well, directly return 0, because we don't need to compare it. Okay, if n is equal to 0, we know that it will be 1. Okay, so now here comes an interesting part. So like now we will make it res star is equal to result. Okay, we can just make this. Okay, and our result will be power of x comma n divided by 2. Because divide splitting into two halves. Okay, so and so we will get, initially we will get 1. Okay, for n is equal to 0, after dividing it we will get 1. So we are dividing two elements side by side. Okay, which will reduce the complexity of the code. Okay, so we can just return, now we will just return x star result, because if it's even number, so we just have to multiply the last digit. Okay, oh sorry, if it is the odd digit, we just have to multiply the last single digit which should be remaining. Okay, so n mod 2, else we will just return, we just return result, because it's, we have already multiplied everything. Okay, all the twos, all the numbers, all the value of x, we have multiplied it. Okay, so we'll come out and we'll call the power function, and x comma n by n. Okay, we just pass x comma n, and we'll make it abs. because as we see here it's negative and okay. So in negative it's the same logic, but we just have to maybe do the reciprocal of it. So here as you can see we will just first solve 2 raised to 2 and just divide it by and we will divide it. Okay, we will just reciprocate it. Okay, so we will return answer if n greater than 0, else we will just return our 1 by answer because it's negative. Negative reverses the, okay, yeah, reciprocate the value. Okay, just check it. Yeah, invalid syntax. Bye bye. Mm, oh, I just wrote return. My bad. Yeah, not work. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, 35 milliseconds. It's good. Yeah, 38 millisecond here. Okay, we need to upload. Okay. So I think this is one of the most efficient algorithm. We can just also use bitwise operator here. It will further increase the speed of the program. Okay. So, but if you have any other better approach, please comment down. Thank you.